1. Which sentence contains a linking verb? A. She runs every morning. B. The flowers smell wonderful. C. I ate a delicious meal. D. They played soccer in the park. Answer B. The flowers smell wonderful. 2. Identify the verb in the sentence. John is reading a book. A. John. B. Is. C. Reading. D. A. Answer C. Reading. 3. Which of the following is an action verb? A. Is. B. Are. C. Go. D. Was. Answer C. Go. 4. Choose the correct verb form. She ______, a great singer. A. Am. B. Is. C. Are. D. Be. Answer B. Is. 5. Select the verb that agrees with the subject. The dogs in the backyard. A. Run. B. Runs. C. Ran. D. Running. Answer A. Run. 6. What type of verb is in the sentence? I feel tired. A. Linking verb. B. Action verb. C. Helping verb. D. Transitive verb. Answer A. Linking verb. 7. Choose the correct verb tense. They are at 7 p.m. last night. A. Ate. B. Eat. C. Eats. D. Eating. Answer A. Ate. 8. Identify the verb in the sentence. The teacher gave us a test. A. Gave. B. Teacher. C. Test. D. Us. Answer A. Gave. 9. What is the past tense of the verb run? A. Run. B. Rung. C. Ran. D. Running. Answer C. Ran. 10. Which sentence contains a helping verb? A. I like ice cream. B. She is studying for the exam. C. They played soccer all day. D. The cat meowed loudly. Answer B. She is studying for the exam. 11. Choose the correct verb form. He his bike to school. A. Rides. B. Ride. C. Riding. D. Ridden. Answer A. Rides. 12. Select the verb that agrees with the subject. The book interesting. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Were. Answer A. Is. 13. What type of verb is in the sentence? She has finished her homework. A. Linking verb. B. Action verb. C. Helping verb. D. Transitive verb. Answer C. Helping verb. 14. Choose the correct verb tense. I went to the store yesterday. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Going. Answer C. Went. 15. Identify the verb in the sentence. The cat chased the mouse. A. Chased. B. Cat. C. Mouse. D. The. Answer A. Chased.